All right, continuing on page 70, we're on the apply a different slide layout step by step. So we typed in the first bullet point, and after the first line, instead of pressing enter to create a new bullet, we press shift enter. Okay, now we are done with that information, and we go ahead and we press enter to create another bullet point. So this is step number 5. Type these additional bullet points. Phone is, in parentheses, 520 555 dash 0131. Next bullet point is fax, colon, 520 555 0132. All right. Next step. Select the entire bulleted list and then click the bullets button. Select the entire bulleted list and then click the bullets button on the home tab to turn off the bullets. So we're going to click on this, and now we don't have bullets. All right. Your slide should resemble figure 4.4-4. Does it look like 4-4? Yes, it does. Okay, step number 7. On the home tab in the slides group, click the layout button. On the home tab in the slides group, click the layout button. Okay. Step number 8, click to contents. Click to content to change the layout to 2 side-by-side content placeholders. There we go. All right. In the second content placeholder, type the following. Okay, so here we're going to type in directions from I-100 east, take exit 35 south, 7th Street to River Road. Turn right on River Road and look for us on the left. After 2 miles. Okay, click anywhere in the text you just typed and then click the bullets button to turn off the bullet. So I've clicked anywhere and then click on that again and the bullets are gone. Okay. Step number 11, drag over the text in the text box and change the font size to 24. So select all of this and change this to 24. Okay, all right. Your slide should resemble figure 4-5. Okay, so now you can look at it, and yes, it does look like that. Save the presentation. All right. Page number 74, changing slide backgrounds. Okay, so step by step, select the theme background. Step number 1, click slide 6 if it's not already selected. It's selected. Step number 2, click the design tab. Click the more button in the variants group. Okay, and then click on background styles. Okay, a gallery opens, and here we have all these different background colors. Right click style 8. Let's first find style 8. There it is. Right click on it and apply to selected slides. Okay, so if you look at figure 4-6, it shows you which one to select, and that's the correct one. Save the presentation. All right, we're done with the step-by-step on page 74. Now we go to page 75. Okay, we're still using the same presentation. Step number 1, customize the background. With slide 6 still active, click the Format Background button on the Design tab. The Format Background button. Okay, we're going to click on that. And when we click on that, you get a format background pane, okay? And a gradient fill is selected because the style you selected in the previous exercise was a gradient. So if you look over here, the gradient fill is selected, okay? Step number 2, click the type drop-down arrow. Click the type drop-down arrow. Right now it's radial. We want to change it to linear, okay? Now it's a different kind of a background, okay? Just change the kind of gradient or the type of gradient, all right? Next, number 3, click the solid fill button. Click the solid fill button and click the color drop-down arrow. Click the color drop-down arrow and click dark purple background tool lighter 40%. Okay, dark purple. There it is. Lighter. Okay, there we go. All right. Step number 5, drag the transparency slider to 20% or type 20. So we can either drag this slider, okay, to 20% or type 20 or use these arrows, okay? So now basically what has happened is become partially transparent and the fill has lightened. Click, now they're asking us to click picture or texture fill. Why are they asking us to do all these things? They just want to show what are the different options that you can fill your slide background with. That is why you are practicing how to use all of these different options, all right? Okay, step number 6. Click the picture or texture fill. The controls change to those for pictures and textures. Step number 7, click the texture drop-down arrow. Click the texture drop-down arrow. The controls change to those for pictures and textures. Click the texture drop-down arrow and then click the purple mesh texture. Purple mesh. Okay. Click pattern fill. Now we're going to practice patterns. All right. And step number 9 is click the foreground button. Click the foreground button and change to dark purple background 2. Dark purple background 2. There we go. Okay, it even tells you where it's located on step number 9. Number 10, click the background button. Okay, and then click teal accent 5. It's the next to last color on the top row. Teal accent 5. Okay, mine is showing lavender. It's not showing teal. I'm just going to go ahead and select it. Okay. There might have been a little mistake I made in doing something, or maybe not. Maybe there was just a little glitch. Maybe the book was published at a different time than this particular exercise. But basically, you need to understand the concept, even if you don't get the exact color. But the concept is that you should be able to change the foreground and the background. Okay? All right. Step number 11, click the dotted 90% pattern. Click the dotted 90% pattern. So let's see. It's the last pattern in the second row. There we go. There. Okay. Number 12, in the format background task pane, click the reset background. Now we're going to reset background. And everything just went back to the original. Okay. So the idea was practicing how to use all these different fills. All right, we're done with this. We're going to save this presentation and we're done with page number 75. Okay.